Your birth month equals where you have to stay for a week. January. The frozen lake. The surface stretches out endlessly, covered in thick ice. The wind never stops, and the cold cuts deep. Food is frozen beneath the ice, if you can break through, but it is never enough. Sleep is only possible on the frozen ground, which chills you through. Some nights a figure will appear far away on the ice. Each night it stands closer. Do not let it reach you. February. The laundromat. Bright lights hum above rows of machines. The smell of detergent lingers in the air. Food is inside the vending machine, and the sink water is safe to drink. Folding tables are your only place to sleep. At times, a washer will start on its own. If the door opens, never look inside. March. The parking garage. Concrete pillars surround you in every direction. Old cars sit parked, most locked tight. Glove boxes sometimes hold stale food and bottled water. Sleeping is only possible in the backseat of a car that will unlock itself. When footsteps echo through the garage, hide. The one searching must not find you. April. The library basement. Rows of dusty books tower above your head. The air feels heavy and still. Lunch bags are left behind on tables for food. Reading chairs creak loudly but are the only place to rest. At times, books fall open by themselves. Never read them. One line is enough to summon something here. May. The forest clearing. The circle of trees around you is too thick to cross. Berries grow in the bushes, and a stream runs through the grass. It feels safe in the day, but at night glowing eyes appear between the trees. If they surround the clearing, you must stay awake until dawn. Falling asleep means you will not wake again. June. The school gym. You are trapped in an abandoned gymnasium. The bleachers creak beneath your weight, and the smell of wood lingers. Food is still inside the vending machines, but not every button works. At midnight, a whistle blows. The gym doors open, and a game begins without players. Step onto the court, and you will not return. July. The diner. A small diner waits, its boots red and its counters silver. The jukebox plays sometimes, even when unplugged. Food can be cooked in the kitchen, though it always tastes burnt. Sleep in a booth, if you must. When the bell above the door rings, close your eyes. Wait until the footsteps leave. August. The lighthouse. Storms rage outside, while the light above never stops turning. Cans of food are stacked in the cupboards, though the salt air spoils their taste. You can rest near the spiral staircase, but the knocking at the door will keep you awake. Do not answer. If you hear the knocking from upstairs instead, your time is almost gone. September. The theater. The velvet seats are ruined, but they still face the dark stage. Food is tucked away in the concession stand. Sleeping on the stage feels wrong, but it is the only option. Every night, the curtain rises, and shadows gather in the seats. If they ever begin to applaud, you must leave immediately. October. The cornfield. Tall stalks rise around you, making every path the same. Corn grows in plenty, but not all of it is safe. A rusty bucket of water sits at the base of a scarecrow. The ground is warm, almost too warm, when you try to sleep. If a scarecrow turns toward you, do not look away until morning. November. The train station. The station is massive, yet no trains ever arrive. Suitcases left behind hold food and water. The benches are your only place to rest, but they are cold. Sometimes the intercom crackles with announcements. If your name is called, you must leave immediately. December. The cabin in the snow. A wooden cabin stands in endless light. The fireplace offers warmth, but no wood remains to keep it alive. Cans of food fill the kitchen shelves. Upstairs, the bed is soft but the window never fully closes. Footsteps crunch outside at night. If they reach the porch, pretend to be asleep.